Hello and welcome to my SharePoint branding and design video blog. My name is Erik Swenson, and you can visit my blog at erikswenson.blogspot.com. You could also follow me on Twitter at Erik J. Swenson. Within this session, we're going to be working with HTML page layouts and within the Design Manager for SharePoint 2013. So within our site, we had already customized our custom master page to use the Twitter Bootstrap. In this example, we have a site that is responsive and designed so that if you resize the page, content within it will resize. For this example, what we're going to do is we're going to create a new page layout and add these elements to the page layout and sort of replace this information in here. So the first step to do that is if we look at the master page and we open up the master page, check it out. You'll notice at the bottom here, towards the bottom section, right after the body container, we have sort of this placeholder where we want to take this content and place it into our custom publishing page layout. So we'll go back into our site here. We'll click on the Design Manager, go under our page layouts, and we're going to create our own custom page layout. So for this example, we're going to be Bootstrap layout. We're going to be using the Bootstrap name here. Now, I'd highly suggest not using the same name as your master page, just because it's going to think of it having the same HTML page. So under here, we're going to use the welcome page as the starting content type, and then we're going to click on OK. As you can see here, we've have our new Bootstrap layout. The conversion successful, and it has the associated content type. So if we go back to SharePoint Designer, and what I'm going to do, and again this could be in Notepad with your map drive, I'm going to cut this section out. I'm going to save it, close it, and I'm going to check this in. Refresh. Now if I go back to my site, you'll see that it no longer has my Bootstrap stuff on it, but I do still have my custom CSS being referenced. So in this example, I'm going to go back to the page layouts, and again I can look at this Bootstrap layout here. I click on it, and there's really not going to be much in here. Alright. So what we're going to do is we're going to add in our HTML to this page layout. So I'm going to go into the SharePoint Designer, and under here we have our Bootstrap layout.aspx, and it also has our Bootstrap layout.html. So you won't be modifying the ASPX file, and just like you won't be modifying the master page. So we're going to check out the HTML file. We're going to edit in advanced mode. Now stuff on the top, you really don't have to worry about it too much. You'll see we have our reference style sheets up here. I'll scroll down to, now these are all the placeholder divs that are in the your page image, your page content, some of these other things, and we really don't need all of this stuff. We still need to keep this placeholder content here. We're just going to replace all of these divs with the section that we had before. So in here, what we're going to do is we're going to save it, and we're going to check it in. So then if we go back to our site and hit refresh, you'll see now we have our page layout with our custom design. So if we then go back to our page, refresh. Now this doesn't have the custom page layout, so what we would have to do is actually edit the page, and under page layout choose our custom bootstrap layout right here. Okay, then we would publish this page, and here's our page updated. So again, if we resize the browser, it will still adjust to the size. Now at this point you could say, yep, I'm good to go, but what we really want to do is it's not really, it doesn't provide much flexibility because all of the content is based on the page layout. So if I was to edit the page, I really wouldn't be able to change anything. So what we're going to do is we're going to start adding a couple of controls in here where you can change the text around and that sort of thing. So click on the publish. So then we're going to go back into the the snippets. We're actually going to go into our page layout here. We're going to go under snippets, and we're going to look for some page fields. So under the page fields, we're going to want to add a title. Right, so here, basically this is going to be the title. We're going to copy this div. We're going to go into Designer, check it out, and we're going to basically paste our page title right into this H1 section. And then we're going to hit save, check in, and from here we're going to then go to our site, refresh. Now you'll notice it just changed to home. So if I go to edit the page, I can actually change this to what. And from here, I can publish my page. Now you'll notice that it actually kept the styles because that's the styles is coming from the Twitter Bootstrap. So if I wanted to, I can change this section to have a rich text editing area. I could change the layout of this header. Do a whole variety of things by using the snippets. So in here I could add in page content, I got an image, I can add in some web parts, I can do a whole variety of different things. So for right now, this is just giving you a sample of what you can do, but again, it's really flexible. You can start adding things to your page and instantly get some results. So thanks for joining me. I'll talk to you later.